Oh, my boy done finally upgraded. Look at him. He done got his RCF, man. I know he's happy. My boy Tran, he already lowered. Yeah, he did the logo already. How you feeling, man?
It's a dream come true for sure.
Yeah, I'm proud, man.
I've been talking about this for like 3 years now. Even when I had the Skyline.
And it looks good. Looks real good. Already lowered and everything. Did you get the exhaust done?
I just got the resonator. I'm gonna come back for the muffler soon.
Sounds better?
It sounds a lot better.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Already got the little lip kit on it. Shit, bro. That's nasty.
Oh, you gotta show that.
Okay. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. It's open.
I think so. Yeah.
Got the red guts in here. Okay.
You see the sway in the middle I'm talking about?
Yeah, and the armrests and stuff.
Is that bad?
Yeah. Hey. I know, man. How are you? Good, good. RCF gang that pulled up.
I really like his fucking calipers.
Oh yeah, the orange. Yeah, I'm gonna get my boy a interior detail. You know what I'm talking about? Give my boy interior detail. Congratulations on the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it. See, you need whatever exhaust he got right now.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Ask him real quick. Yeah, it does look a little funny with your.
Whoa. Hey.
Yeah, you're gonna have to lower it. show us your move, cause yeah, you can't park with the front lift up. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, boy.
That looks good, man. Tran's been doing some work. Got the carbon lip, as you guys seen previously. He did the carbon F. Blacked out the trim, did the carbon on the fender, which actually it makes a big difference, especially with this color. The tinted tail lights, accents. Looks good, man.
Can't forget about this, man.
And I saw that too. Did the carbon wrap emblem.
I hated the chrome look.
Yeah, the chrome stuff. Yeah. And
I
then
just wanted the RC, you know, at night.
yeah,
People driving behind me. I'm like, oh damn.
nah, it looks good, man. He said he parking with his wing up now.
I finally taught Thurman how to disable the
Oh, to keep it like that.
up at all times.
Nice. My boy Trey taking off the secondary cast. He ain't got no mufflers. I already told him put a muffler, so this motherfucker's gonna be loud. And y'all know we got the Shelby out. Man, this thing runs a lot better right now since we got those plugs regapped and the other fuel rail back on there. Did a quick pull, and so far so good. It was running a lot better than it was when I had the other setup. So I think the plug gap made a big difference too. But she is dirty, so y'all ain't getting no close up right now. Cause that dude look like something like off a video game type shit. Sit that motherfucker and take off. Stop for! Secondary cast done. Got the RC sounding pretty damn good, man. And then what are you doing with yours?
It's a muffler delete.
Muffler delete. You already did a resonator delete,
Yeah,
right?
I did it like last week.
Okay, so he did the resonator, now we got the muffler delete coming. like it? Yeah. Say you like that now. Yes, sir. Now Tran got his. Yeah, there you go. That's what you need. Tran don't know how to act now. Look at him. You happy with it? That's good. Sounds good now. Perfect.
Now it sounds like an restaurant.
RCF squad, they both got the exhaust done, so he got his secondary cats deleted, and he got his muffler delete and resonator delete right now, and he has the full thing done. So it's a rare sight. You see two of them like this, and they both look pretty good. Alright guys, we are in the Ranger headed out to Texas Motorplex. We got a drag night tonight. Supposed to be some pretty cool cars out there. As you notice, I am not in the 500. The weather just hasn't been looking too good, and we've been in the rain all week. And when I left the house, it looked like it was about to storm. So just definitely wasn't about to take my car out, especially with no slicks. We've been having hail come out. I'm just not trying to get caught in that. And then pretty much if you're at the track, you're pretty much helpless because your car is going to be parked out in the field with everybody. I'm just not going to take the chance for that. Rather just leave the thing at the house. But hopefully we catch some good, decent runs and the weather doesn't start raining or anything. But on my way there, so catch you guys when we get there if there's any good content up here. Just got here. Got a Gt500 right here. He says he's been in the 9s. Uh-oh, we got an LSX LOL Mustang. Got some good little cars out here, man. I think they got an event going on, so really gonna see what these cars are put down. Some V action. The V rolled out. Ooh. Got the Gt500 for real, and then you got the poser. The damn bumper on the front of it. He better whoop his ass too, cause I'm gonna roast him when I go over there. I'm like, you let that thing with the front bumper get you.
All right, DSW. And then we're gonna roll into round number 3 of Old School Back Half.
You would not know how to ever we say it.
Hey, when I take the truck rolling. TRX rolling. What I tell you?
Boy, that's ridiculous.
A 10-4.